This is Heather Carlisle. I'm doing lab number 2. So I am going to do some measurements of mass. I'm going to tear my scale. I'm going to measure the 50 ml beaker. Oops, let's get to the right section. Tear it. 50 ml beaker comes out to 35.94. So 35.94, estimated digit would be the 4, and the number of significant digits would be 4. All right, the weight of the cylinder. This scale won't measure my cylinder, so I've got another one here. And the weight of this beaker is 0.135 kilograms. So the estimated digit would be the 5, and number of significant figures would be 3. Okay, now we're going to do the cylinder with the nail cutter inside of it. Try not to break it. It's teared. So the weight of those together is 0.151 kilograms. The 1 would be the estimated digit, and the significant digits would be 3. All right, take that back out. Next is to measure the length of a wooden block. So I've got centimeters, and it is a square. I've already measured it once, but I will measure it again. It comes out to 2.95. 2.95. All right. It's coming out the same all directions. So 2.95 for all three, for length, width, and height. The estimated digit would be the 5. Significant digits would be 3. All right, now we are going to get the volume of the wooden metal block. So that's going to be 1 times B times H, or pi r squared times H. So length times base times height. I am going to use a calculator on. Clear, so that's going to be 2.95 times 2.95 times 2.95. So that's length times width times height, and it is coming out to 25.672375. Significant figures would be 3, so the answer will be 25.7, because we're going to round the 6 up. So that's 25.7 centimeters cubed. Cleared that. Next thing is the volume of the nail cutter. So initial volume of water. Put some water in my cylinder. Water. All right. And my initial volume is 61 is initial water volume, 61 milliliters. And then I am going to add the nail cutter without breaking it. The final measurement is 63.5 mLs, with the 5 is estimated. So volume of nail cutter would be 2.5 mLs. here, massive nail cutter is going to be the 0.151 minus 0.135. So the mass of the nail cutter is 0.016. All right, and estimated digit and number of significant figures is going to be 3. Estimated significant digit is still going to be the last digit of the equation, which will be a 6 on this. So here's my form. All right.